Dear student, this is my lecture number 2 of the topic coordination compounds for class 12. This is continuous lecture from previous lecture number 1. In previous segment we have studied the ligands, types of ligand on the basis of charge as well as types of ligand on the basis of denticity. As we see in previous preview, the glycinate is another ligand whose charge is -1, but it is a bidentate ligand. Similarly, this is ethylene diamine tetraacetate. Ethylene diamine tetraacetate. Short form, it is known as EDTA. This ligand, 1 mole of these ligands shows hexadentate. This is hexadentate ligand. It means 1 mole. It can donate 6 donor site. So the denticity is 6 and charge content is -4. The donor site is first is 1, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. This is the 1 mole, it means 6 donor site. Next, next ligand is Cn-. It contains 1 charge. This is the cyanide ligands. This is example of unidentate ligands. NO2 this is -1 charge. This is also unidentate. This is nitrate ligand. If oxygen is donated, then it is known as nitrite. When nitrogen is donated, then it is known as nitrate. SCN-. This is called thiocyanate. -1 charge. This is also unidentate ligand. NCS-. Here nitrogen is donor. This is called isothiocyanate ligands. This is also unidentate ligands. Next term is ambident ligands. How can we find the ambidentate ligand? It is unidentate ligands but having 2 donor site. It is unidentate ligand but having 2 donor site. That is example of Cn-. If cyanide, if carbon is donor, then it goes cyanide and NC. If nitrogen is donor, then it is known as isocyanates. Similarly, SCN-. If sulfur is donor, then it is known as thiocyanate. If nitrogen is donors, then it is known as isothiocyanates. This is the example of ambident ligands. Next topic we have to discuss the coordination number. What do you mean by coordination number? The metal atom is surrounded by number of ligand that is metal atom is surrounded by opposite charge of ions. Opposite charge of ions is called coordination number. Like example of AgCN का whole 2 minus. This is the coordination sphere. In this case, the silver, central metal is silver, in which 2 cyanide ligands combined together. So that coordination number is 2. Next is Cr, NH3 का whole 6 plus 3, in which chromium central metal atoms, which is surrounded by 6 amine ligands, so that its coordination number is 6. Next term we have to discuss, that is coordination sphere. Coordination sphere. As we know, the complex compound always kept in a square closed bracket. That is known as coordination sphere. The central metal atom combined with ligand in a square closed bracket is called coordination sphere. Like example of Ni, this is the nickel, which is surrounded by 4 chloride ligands. So that coordination compound always kept in a square closed bracket. This is known as coordination sphere. Next term is coordination polyhedral. Coordination polyhedral. The spatial polyhedrals, coordination polyhedrals always study in spatial arrangement. It means 3-dimensional space. The spatial arrangement of ligands with central metal atom, central metal atom are known as coordination polyhedral, which forms regular structure. Like example of Ml4. If the structure is tetrahedral, we can write down this way. This is the structure of tetrahedral. This structure is tetrahedral. Tetrahedral. Ml6. If the coordination number is 6, geometry is octahedral. This is the central metal atom. If we draw the octahedral structure, Ml4. One ligands above the plane, 4 are in plane, and one ligand is below the plane. This structure is octahedral. And one structure is in a square planar. It also forms ligands. Coordination number is 4. This is known as inner square planar complex. All the ligands lie in same plane. This structure is called a square planar. It always forms inner square planar complexes. Now, next term we have to discuss, that is oxidation number. Oxidation number. The central metal atom, that is D block element which carries the charge which is neutralized by opposite charge of ions, that is ligand. Then we have to calculate what is the oxidation number of any complex compound of metal atoms. Like, let us take example of, first of all, NiCl का whole 4 -2 pairs which contain negative charge. We have to find out what is the oxidation number of nickel. Let us suppose that the oxygen X be the oxidation number of nickel. So that we have to calculate the X. X is suppose that X be the oxidation number of nickel. As we know from the charge of the ligand, chloride is a negative ligands which carries -1 charge. So that oxidation number is -1. So how many chloride ligand are there? In chloride there are 4 ligand are there. So that -1 multiplied with 4. And a sphere which contains -2 charge. So that we can put on after equal to put -2. Now we can find out what is the oxidation number of this one. X is equal to -2 plus 4. It means nickel's oxidation number is +2. Let us take another examples to find out the oxidation number of metal atoms. This is the complex compound FeCN का O6. K4FeCN O6. Now we have to find out what is the oxidation number of this one. Those